Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Continuing with our React and Django series, in today's video we'll be looking into adding a media folder to our Django app and also configuring things regarding to it. So talking about SQLite 3 database, it can handle millions of queries at a time with no problem. But when it comes to handling multimedia files such as MP3s, videos, or file images, basically, so having a much sorted thing is to add a asset folder within your project itself. So for that we'll be doing this. So the first thing which we'll be doing is that create a media folder within your backend folder, which is this, as you can see over here. So right now this folder is empty. All you need to create is the folder called the the name of it should be media. So we are going in a specific manner, and yeah, this is what you are going to add. So after creating the folder, what you need to do is go navigate to your settings.py. This is which file which we have all the configurations required for our app. So navigate to settings.py. So navigate at the bottom, and all you need to add is these two lines. So I've already configured everything. I'm just walking you through the process so it will be easy for you guys. So this is the static URL which is already provided when you create a Django project. But the second thing is not provided, which is the media URL, where we are providing the path of our media folder. So the first thing to do is within your settings.py is add this line after creating the media folder, right guys? Yes. So after creating that, add this line, and after adding this, write this variable media root os.path.join base directory media. So what this line will do is that it will connect the media folder to the base directory which is mentioned over here, as you can see. So all the folders are configured using this base directory itself. So this is that variable which we are using down over here. So this basically tells that we have a media folder within the root directory. Please add this also. So this was it for adding the two lines of variable within your settings.py. The next thing you have to do is navigate to urls.py, and you will have to import urls static from the static which will be already which is already provided by Django. So you just need to import this and add this piece of line. So this is a crucial part as well for telling the URLs within your main root directory, which is this, to make them aware that we have a media folder within the root directory to handle all our assets. So yeah, this is basically that. So add this piece of line, it will be good for configuration. And one more thing which we almost forgot in the previous video was that please include this line as well within your URL patterns, which is API dash auth slash. So this will basically take the second argument, include REST framework.urls. So this is something which we'll talk about in later videos, but this is what we forgot. So please add this line in your URL patterns, and that's it. So this should be within your root urls.py file. Yeah. So yeah, this was it. I guess I've covered everything. The code will be also available in the description. So if you have any questions, queries, and concerns, please feel to comment down below. And yeah, this was it for this video, guys. And thanks for watching.